Introduction. Look at these designs. Aren't they looking beautiful? It is because they have some arrangement in specific order. When things are arranged following a rule in specific order, they make patterns. Let us learn more about patterns. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to explore patterns, describe pattern, make a pattern using shapes and numbers. There are patterns all around us. Even when you clap or jump in a specific order, you follow a pattern. Today we will learn about pattern of numbers and shapes. Pattern is a set of shapes or numbers formed by repeating it over and over again. You can see a pattern in a glass window, iron grills, floor tiles. Look at the shapes on this curtain. Here circle and rectangles repeat form a pattern. Let us now move and make some patterns using leaves. These leaves can be arranged in different patterns. We can arrange them like the arrangement as seen on screen. In fact, there can be many more patterns using the same leaves. Let us now make some patterns using numbers. We start with tables of 2. Look at the series 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. These numbers are arranged in a way that difference between two consecutive numbers is always 2. Consider another series of numbers 3, 8, 13, 18, 23, 28, 33. These numbers are also arranged in a way that the difference between two consecutive numbers is always 5. Summary. Now friends, let's summarize what we have learned. Pattern is arrangement of things following a rule. Make patterns using numbers and shapes.
Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe KWT Education.